the buffering
Hey guys,
from the ferries.
welcome back to the channel.
I believe it.
We got Medicine Man over here. We got Big Daddy over here. We got this gorgeous 2016 Road Glide. And if you guys want to watch how to put these gorgeous little highway pegs on from Kuryakyn, and what else? What do we got back here?
Passenger backrest and a luggage rack.
Yeah, luggage.
That is a beverage cooler that is mount right there. You can put your beverages right on that, and you're ready to roll.
All right, what you got there, Big Daddy?
This is a new luggage rack.
Cooler.
Which,
throwing it on a 2016.
this is a new beer cooler holder. So
this is the most expensive beer cooler.
that's right.
Beer cooler holder
that you'll ever buy.
And it has this little, what, over center cam latches.
Yeah. Did that lock? Not going far enough rotation wise, right? Ah!
So close.
I think I need, I think I need my.
Pulls it on?
Just use a hammer. Just get back there and get a run and swing at it.
You know, you read my mind.
I got
rubber.
I got it. Okay, I got it almost twisted. Well, you want? Wait, you can damage it. You want to put my finger in there?
Yeah. Did that lock? Yeah, that one's locked, right?
Yeah, that only had a little bit to go.
See how that's down?
Yep.
Almost. Go ahead and do this side too.
I'm telling you. Bring your fucking hammers.
You need two. You need two hammers.
Yeah.
So I was going to say that, you know, you can buy these locks for those. I don't think it's very necessary.
You don't need that.
There it went.
Ping.
Yep.
Wow.
Yeah, that's on there.
That's it. That's all there is to it.
Yeah. Actually, those two look good together.
They do. It looks good.
Like peas and carrots.
No, wait. What was the other thing I was going to look at? Oh.
One new luggage rack.
Black. Picturing black.
Next one is these highway pegs. Look at them bad boys.
Very
right there. Look at that.
Wait, we need to go. Oh shit.
What?
Okay, first thing you want to make sure. So I know, don't be farting over here. Got to make sure this is 1.25
I might have to go to the restroom this way.
And you got to make sure these are 1.25
I'm on here.
Oh yeah.
I don't know which way you want to kick them to flip them
How you
down.
doing? How you doing? Huh?
Usually
How
up,
you doing? Oh.
so that they turn up in the air.
In right spot. It's got a spacer that goes in between the two. Keep it from crushing it. Let me make sure this is tight. Here we are. Hey!
Put your paw up there.
Yeah.
Is that good?
Yeah. That's like perfect. That literally right there is like perfect.
All right, that's all you got to do right there, isn't it?
No, that's half.
Couple adjustments.
There's two sides.
You only need one. You only need one of these.
Yeah.
That's what they look like, the Kuryakyn
Longhorn.
Yeah, Longhorn highway pegs.
It's a nice highway peg too.
It actually is. Good quality.
Let me see one thing.
We're going to get Blondie a motorcycle.
Yes,
And
just
she's
like
gonna-
this.
Yes,
She used to have a motorcycle.
just like that.
And
That
somebody
mean, terrible father.
I know.
Holding.
had to sell it because of his accident.
Yeah,
Upset
well,
you don't ride
actually, we're trying to get this guy to buy Blondie over here a motorcycle.
He
So
already
she
did.
could come. So she could go on her motorcycle trip with us.
Yes. On her own.
This guy already bought her 4 cars and a scooter. This guy,
And a
I think,
scooter.
has gone above and beyond what he should be buying.
I would say almost.
More
He,
and beyond.
that's right.
Do we have any good-looking, extremely wealthy, career-minded, driven men out there? Let us know. We have a beautiful blonde.
I'm 22. I don't think about that.
Yeah. Don't worry about her age. We'll tell you she's as old as you need her to be. She's 52 if you need 52, okay?
Oh my gosh, Dad.
I think we did it. We made it. We made it to the end. Thanks for watching again. Now you got everything. You got foot pegs. You got a luggage rack back here for refreshments. And that's about it. See you guys on the next ride.
How is this angled? Is this